I already know. Yeah, I know. Then he draw pictures and say, listen, listen, listen out there. I need for you to look at these pictures and tell me what you like. I say, oh gosh. Now he's videoing the rain out here.
Yeah, I am.
Hey, we just gonna run inside. Boy, you ain't running inside on this.
I am.
I'm just running inside.
I got your window, Jordan.
Yeah, I just run inside. I don't know what
Get
to
her out this
do. I don't know what to do. I mean, what to do.
What you're trying to do? What to do? I know. I'm trying to think of which way would be the best way for you to get out this car. I'm probably gonna bring you to the front.
Yeah, please bring her to the front, because she gonna fall on the face. Oh, shoot. It's getting real.
Girl, I'm probably just going to drive across this grass for Mama. It is raining this bad.
Right.
It's getting real.
Girl, yes.
It's getting real. Getting real out here, man.
Unlock the door.
Getting real, man.
All right.
It's getting real.
Okay, bye-bye.